guys, welcome back. This is Jeet and you're watching IndieCure. Well, today we are going to talk about a very interesting cube, that is Megaminx. My focus on this cube is just to entertain you guys, because I personally believe this is very interesting cube, and if you are putting your 10% of concentration while solving this cube, you would be able to make it very easily, because there is no special method to solve this cube. There is no special algorithm you will need to follow. In fact, there are lots of interesting things in this cube, but that I can explain you later. Uh, for now, I can guide you that you can solve this cube very easily without any problem. So I have already scrambled this cube, and I'm going to tell you that how you can solve this cube very easily. Well, there are lots of methods you can use while solving this cube. If you are good with 3x3 cube, then you can apply the same method on Megaminx as well. And if you do not know anything about 3x3 cube, then you can do this cube intuitively. Well, this video is going to be a bit longer because this is not a speed cube, so it will take time to solve this cube. So first, the method which we will use in a part 1, we are going to put a cross here. Actually, we are going to put a star here at the bottom. This will be our bottom, and the same method which we use with 3x3 cube, we are going to apply here. So in CFOP we do build a cross there, so here we are going to build up n star. Well, since there are lots of sides, it takes a lot to find out the pieces correctly. Okay, so your star will look like this. After this, you'll have to turn the cube down, and you can use F2L to bring out these two pieces simultaneously, as you do with 3x3 cube, such as, like, we have this piece here, white is facing front, so just assume this is your front, top, left layer and right layer. Don't put your focus on any other layer. After this, just find out the edge piece. Okay, my edge is here, so that I will have to take out. Okay, here it is. So as we do follow the method of F2L, if the white is here, same color is on the top layer, put it on the back, and then match it and put it down. So insert method we can use here to bring out two pieces in a one time. See, so same method I am applying here just to show. Okay, here it is. Now we are going to complete this layer. With this cube, you will have to understand, with 3x3 we prepare middle and bottom layer in one go, but here we have an extra layer, this one. So this you can consider as a middle layer. Now the things which you have to follow here, just assume that this is your corner piece, the edge piece. Now what you would be needed to place it in the right direction. So here also you can follow F2L. Suppose these are your bottom color. So what you have to do is you will have to match these colors and then bring them in their direction like this. Now go to the next layer. Here we need green and red. So green and red here is Well, fortunately I've got this matched already. I can put it down here, directly turn here. Now to match this piece we have to apply single move. That would be insert move. And that this move will be separately. This cannot be adjoined with any other combo. This is what you have to ensure. Here you have to use insert combo, and this will go here. Now we are going to complete this another layer. Well, okay, we are going to complete this one. Here we will need blue or green or yellow or green, any one of them. So just find out where it is. Alright, we can take this one or this one as well. Turn the layer upside, place the matching center, use the insert combo and just insert the piece. Now you're almost done with the cube, and this is the piece which you would be needed to insert. That is all. Okay, that's all. Now here you can apply F12 and you can insert the pieces. Like red is supposed to be go on the bottom, so this is your bottom layer, it's top layer. Now this and this are your combo moves. Use F12 directly. Green is supposed to be moved here. Here we need these two pieces to be matched, so this is the piece, cream color and the blue center. So since you know that in F12 we do apply a method to turn the cube, turn the layer back, so just place this on the back side and apply the F12 insert move here. And then here we need purple at the bottom. Here is your piece. Purple is on the upside, and here we need blue and orange, which is here. It's placed. Now here we need yellow at the bottom. Yellow is on the upward side. Now we are left with the last side. Blue is supposed to be at the downside. This is the blue, and we need this as an edge here. This is supposed to be moved here. Turn it here, and then this is supposed to be moved here now. Well, since it's in the same layer, creating confusions. Alright, here is the insert combo completed, F12. Now use the method what you used to do to prepare a cross on 3x3. This is your L, so it will be in this direction, then right, left, right, front, right, up, left, back. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. Here is your star. Now you have got two edges match. Now you have to switch these three edges with each other. So R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. This will shuffle these three colors. Now follow the same again. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R. Now your edges are matching. Now you are left with the corner pieces. This you can do easily. You just use the basic regular method U and D to turn these pieces upward. So this will be your up layer and this will be your right layer. So U prime, R prime, U, R, 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 until it will be facing upward. Then turn the layer this side. Now this piece is supposed to be turned upward. Follow the same method till this piece is facing upward. Then the last one. Okay, so top layer is completed. Now the corner pieces which are you need to place correctly. So this you can do by following this method. Put the cube like this, the top layer on the left side and right side, U, R prime, U. Then this piece has orange and blue, so this is supposed to be matching here. Then U, R. Now it has orange and green. This is supposed to be placed here. Now this piece has blue and green. This is supposed to be here. Now it has green and pink. And then the piece which is left here, pink and green. And your cube is solved. Well, I personally believe that there's no special mathematics or algorithm you need to follow. By following the basic methods, you can solve the cube easily. And I'm sure that you must have learned new or heard something new about this algorithms and intuition method. Megaminx solving is just an exercise. So what I can say about this is just try your best and use your regular method which you follow with 3x3, and then you will be able to solve the cube quite efficiently. Well, I hope so guys, you must have liked my video, and definitely if you would be needed any support, any further assistance regarding this cube, please do let me know. I can definitely help you further on this. Thank you so much for your support and watching the video.